The Fox Who Flew to the Moon. Once upon a time, deep in the Kazakh steppes, there lived a clever fox named Aisulu. She had always been fascinated by the moon. Every night, she gazed at it, dreaming of the mysteries hidden on its shining surface. One evening, Aisulu saw a flock of birds flying south. "If they can fly, why can't I?" she thought. So she started collecting feathers from the birds that passed by. After a month of work, she built herself a pair of wings. She climbed the tallest mountain and leaped into the sky. At first, she stumbled, but soon she soared higher and higher. After hours of flying, Aisulu reached the moon. It was quiet, peaceful, and covered with silver dust. She danced joyfully, leaving tiny paw prints behind. However, she soon realized there was no food, no water, and no other animals. The moon was beautiful, but lonely. With a heavy heart, Aisulu decided to return home. She used with the wind to glide back to Earth, landing safely in the steppe. From that day on, she no longer longed for the moon. Instead, she appreciated the beauty of the land she lived in, the lusting grass, the sparkling rivers, and the warmth of her friends. Moral of the story: sometimes we dream of faraway places, thinking they are better than where we are. But true happiness is often found in appreciating that we already have.